welcome to the practical class of this section. So today we will go into the practical aspect of it fully. Like I told you the other time, today will be practical completely. So I would like to introduce the whole raw materials used for this production purpose onto you. And the first material I have here is calcium carbonate. This is calcium carbonate. You can see it is in the powdered form. So this calcium carbonate, you get it from stone. There's a stone called calcium carbonate. It is this stone that is being crushed. You can see it how the breeze is carrying it. It is very fine particle. Then the other one we have here is titanium dioxide. This is titanium dioxide. It is white titan. We have two types. This is white titan. So this is titanium dioxide. Then we have calgon. This is calgon. It's normally in powdered form, but we are seeing it as it is in like this because it has absorbed water from the atmosphere. So, and that is why it has congealed. So this is calgon. Then this is nitrosol thickener. This is what makes your paint to be thick. You can see it very well. This is thickener. Then other raw materials, we have things like the polyvinyl acetate, the PVA that we talked about the last time. It is in liquid form. So it is in liquid form. It is like gum. So this is a binder also. So with this, I've shown you this. So let us go into the production aspect of this properly. You understand? So let us go into the production aspect properly. So the thing that I have given you is for 1 gallon, and this is called 1 gallon. So the small bucket of this is called 1 gallon. So, but for the sake of this, let us produce half of it. So we are going to produce half of it. So what it means that the things that you've been given, you divide it into 2. So now the first stage of this production is water. So like I gave you, you measure 2 liters of water. So this is calibrated. This is 250 ml. So I just want to use it to measure my water, the quantity of water I need. I will use it. This is water, and what I will use to produce this now is this very bucket. So since we are to measure, we are producing half of this half gallon. So I'm going to measure 1 liter. So, and 2 of this is half liter. 4 of it will be 1 liter. So let me measure 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 for half of this. Then the next thing you add after putting water is calgon. And this calgon, I have measured half of, like I told you, all that you see here is half of what I have given you. So this is half of the 50 gram I gave you, the 60 gram. This is half of it. So I'm dissolving it in this water. Like I told you, it's supposed to be in powdered form, but because it has absorbed some water from the atmosphere, that is why it is like this. This calgon makes it to disperse evenly. It makes the production process to disperse, the whole particle to disperse evenly. So after addition of, it has dissolved now. So after this, you introduce your calcium carbonate. This is calcium carbonate that I've given you now. So everything you put is followed by vigorous stirring. Why I use hand is just for you to know that you can use hand to produce paint. It is not harmful to the skin. You can use your hand to produce your paint. It's not harmful. So it has completely dissolved. There is nothing here again left apart from this carbon that I'm still having the particles here, but it will dissolve with time. So the next thing you introduce here is titanium dioxide, which they call titan. If you go to market where they are selling this, they normally call it titan. All this has been measured, all have been weighed. So you introduce titanium dioxide and you stir. This one take a little time before it dissolves. So this is how you stir. You stir until the mixture is homogeneous, until no particle is left in the entire mixture. So this is a mixing process. So start adding your titanium dioxide. Now it has dissolved completely. The next thing you add here is the PVA, the polyvinyl acetate. So we are going to measure. It's supposed to be 400 ml, though I gave you in kilogram. But if you are measuring it using something like, because when you go to market to buy it, you buy it in kg. But for the sake of this production, we have weighed it and we discovered that the thing I gave you is for this 1 gallon is 400 ml. Now that 400, if you divide it into 2, it will be 200. So we are taking in 200 part of this. Can use a little water to rinse the remaining one. So use the little water. If you allow this, it will dry, and once it is dry, it will be like gum. So that is why I have to do something immediately. Now that you have introduced this, you stir. You can see the one that the breeze has entered. It is like gum now. So that is why whatever you are doing with this one, you have to be very careful so that you don't expose it to air, so that it will not be like waterproof as you see now. So the next thing you do here is to
thicken your paint by adding nitrosol. Like I told you, you have to dissolve it in water. You don't put it directly. You dissolve it with a little quantity of water. So as you're adding, you are stirring until it starts getting thick. Alright, so you have introduced your thickener, and look at, there's something I would like you to note from this. Just as we have put the thickener and it has not thickened in your eye, you can see it is still water. Now this is the time you introduce your ammonia. You see the wonders that ammonia will do in this paint. And once you put ammonia, don't waste time. Don't waste time. Else, you see something different. The paint you paint will form balls. You can see the thickness is coming up. Can you see the changes? Can you see it? The paint is very thick now. Very much thick. You can see the paint is very thick now. So at this junction, you put formalin to preserve it. Put formalin to preserve your paint. paint is very thick. So, and you cannot apply this paint like this. So that is why you see some painters, when they want to apply paint on the wall, they will be putting water in that paint to make it to come to the normal viscosity for the application. So at this juncture, you have produced your paint. The only thing that is not here is color. So why we produce this like this? Because we are still going to make use of this thing to do color formulation, because you'll be taught on how to form all the colors in paint, the color of your choice. So this is what you still use to form it. That is why we did not put color in this paint. So this is your emulsion paint. As you can see, the only thing is that it's very thick. It's very thick. So, and if you want to, and if high quality, how you know a high quality paint is when you touch it, it will be like gum. You can see it. But that one that is not high quality, it looks somehow. Even the texture will be different. So this is your emulsion paint. The next thing we are going to do is color formulation, like I told you, and this is the paint we shall use for the color formulation. If I want this thing to come to the normal viscosity for the application, I will add water, because the water is the solvent that will use in producing this.